Good day, learners. This is week 3, divide simple fractions and mixed fractions. After going through this lesson, you are expected to divide simple fractions and mixed fractions. In dividing fraction is simply multiplying the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction or number. The reciprocal of a fraction is found by flipping its numerator and denominator. Make it sure that the dividend and the divisor is always written in its fractional form. Simplify or write your answer in lowest term through cancellation method. Example 1. Find the quotient of 8 over 9 and 2/3. Solution. Quotient means division. Change the division sign to multiplication. And get the reciprocal of the divisor only. 3/2 is the reciprocal of 2/3. Apply cancellation. 8 and 9, the common factor is 2. Let's divide 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 3 and 9. The common factor is 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. And 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Multiply the numerators and then denominators. 4 times 1 equals 4. 3 times 1 equals 3. Then simplify 1 and 1/3. Learning task 1. Find the quotient of the given fractions. Number 1, 7/8 divided by 3/4. Copy the dividend. Then change division sign to multiplication sign. The reciprocal for 3/4 is 4/3. Use cancellation. For 8 and 4, the common factor is 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Then let's multiply. 7 times 1 equals 7. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then simplify. That is 1 and 1/6. Number 2. 7/6 divided by 5/6. 7/6. Then change division sign to multiplication sign. The reciprocal of 5/6 is 6/5. Use cancellation. Divided by 6. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. Then 7 times 1 equals 7. 1 times 5 equals 5. Then simplify 1 and 2/5. Number 3. 5/12 divided by 1 over 60. 5/12, then change to multiplication sign. Reciprocal of 1 over 60 is 60 over 1. Then use cancellation for 12 and 60. The common factor is 12. 60 divided by 12 equals 5. 12 divided by 12 equals 1. Then let's multiply. 5 times 5 equals 25. Then 1 times 1 equals 1. 25 over 1 or 25. Number 4. 12/5 divided by 1/6. We cannot use cancellation. So 12 times 6 equals 72. 5 times 1 equals 5. Then change to mixed number. 14 and 2/5. In dividing mixed number by another mixed number, We have to consider the following steps. First, change mixed numbers to improper fractions. Second, get the reciprocal of the divisor and change the division sign to multiplication. Third, multiply the numerators and denominators separately. And finally, change improper fraction into a mixed number. Example 2. What is the quotient if 8 and 3/5 is divided by 3 and 3/4? Solution: 8 and 3/5 divided by 3 and 3/4. Change mixed numbers to improper fractions. 5 times 8 plus 3 equals 43/5. Then, 4 times 3 plus 3 equals 15/4. Change division sign to multiplication sign. And get the reciprocal of the divisor. Multiply the numerators and denominators. 43 times 4 equals 172, and 5 times 15 equals 75. Change improper fraction into a mixed number. 2 and 22/75. Learning task 2. Find the quotient of the given fractions. Number 1, 12 and 3/8 divided by 2 and 3/4. Change all mixed numbers to improper fractions. 8 times 12 plus 3 equals 99/8. 4 times 2 plus 3 equals 11/4. Then, reciprocal, 4/11. Then, change division sign to multiplication sign. Then, let us cancel 8 and 4. By dividing their common factors, 8 and 4, the common factor is 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. For 99 and 11, the common factor is 11. 99 divided by 11 equals 9. 11 divided by 11 equals 1. Then, let's multiply 9 times 1 equals 9. 2 times 1 equals 2. Change to a mixed number. 4 and 1/2. Number 2. 9 and 2/5 divided by 1 and 3/10. Change all mixed numbers to improper fractions. 5 times 9 plus 2 equals 47/5. 1 times 10 plus 3 equals 13/10. And the reciprocal for that fraction is 10/13. Then, let's multiply. Before that, let us use cancellations for 5 and 10. And the common factor is 5. 10 divided by 5, 2. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Then let's multiply. 47 times 2 equals 94. 1 times 13 equals 13. Then change to mixed number. 7 and 3/13. Number 3. 7 and 1/4 divided by 1 and 7/8. 7 times 4 plus 1 equals 29/4. 8 times 1 plus 7 equals 15/8. And the reciprocal for 15 and 8 is 8/15. Change division sign to multiplication sign. Use cancellation for 8 and 4. The common factor is 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Then, 29 times 2 equals 58. 1 times 15 equals 15. Change to mixed number, and that is 3 and 13 over 15. Number 4. 8 and 5/6 divided by 2 and 1/4. Change to improper fraction. 8 times 6 plus 5 equals 53 over 6. 4 times 2 plus 1 equals 9 over 4. And the reciprocal is 4 over 9. Then, multiply. But, let's use cancellation for 6 and 4. The common factor is 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Now, let's multiply. 53 times 2 equals 106. 3 times 9 equals 27. In mixed number, that is 3 and 25 over 27. Number 5. 5 and 4 over 7 divided by 2 and 10 over 21. 7 times 5 plus 4 equals 39 over 7. 21 times 2 plus 10 equals 52 over 21. And the reciprocal is 21 over 52. Then change division sign to multiplication sign. Using cancellation, 7 and 21, the common factor is 7. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. 39 and 52, the common factor is 13. 39 divided by 13 equals 3. 52 divided by 13 equals 4. Now, 3 times 3 equals 9. 1 times 4 equals 4. And that is 2 and 1/4. Number 6. 12 and 5/8 divided by 3 and 19 over 24. 8 times 12 plus 5 equals 101 over 8. 24 times 3 plus 19 equals 91 over 24. And the reciprocal is 24 over 91. Then using cancellation, 8 and 24, the common factor is 8. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. Let's multiply 101 times 3 equals 303. 1 times 91 equals 91. In mixed fractions, that is 3 and 30 over 91. Number 7. 7 and 5/6 divided by 3 and 1/2. 6 times 7 plus 5 equals 47 over 6. 2 times 3 plus 1 equals 7 over 2. The reciprocal is 2 over 7. Change the division sign to multiplication sign. Using cancellation, for 6 and 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then, 47 times 1 equals 47. And 3 times 7 equals 21. Change to mixed number. That is 2 and 5 over 21. Number 8. 14 and 2/3 divided by 2 and 2 over 9. 3 times 14 plus 2 equals 44 over 3. 9 times 2 plus 2 equals 20 over 9. And the reciprocal is 9 over 20. Change division sign to multiplication sign. Using cancellation, for 3 and 9 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. For 44 and 20, the common factor is 4. 44 divided by 4 equals 11. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Let's multiply 11 times 3 equals 33 and 1 times 5 equals 5. In mixed fraction, that is 6 and 3/5. Learning task 3. Solve the given problems. A cook has 2 and 3/4 pounds of ground beef. How many quarter-pound burgers can he make? So, we need to divide 2 and 3/4 divided by 1/4. Change first this mixed number to improper fraction. 4 times 2 plus 3 equals 11 over 4. And the reciprocal for 1/4 is 4 over 1. Then, change division sign to multiplication sign. Then, cancel 4 by dividing their common factor 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 11 times 1 equals 11. 1 times 1 equals 1. 11 over 1 or 11. Number 2. A child needs to make 1/6 of tablespoons of medicine per day in 4 equal doses. How much medicine is in each dose? We need to divide 1/6 divided by 4. 1/6, then the reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. Then it becomes multiplication. 1 times 1 equals 1, and 6 times 4 equals 24. Number 3. How many 5/6 cup salt shakers can be filled from 24 cups of salt? That is 24 divided by 5/6. The reciprocal for 5/6 is 6 over 5. Then, multiplication. 24 times 6 equals 144. Then, copy denominator 5. Change to mixed number, 28 and 4/5. Learning task 4. Read its statement. Write the word true if the statement is correct. And if the statement is wrong, write the words that makes the statement incorrect. Number 1. The denominator of any whole number is 1. To find the reciprocal of a fraction, simply interchange the numerator and the denominator of the given fractions. Number 3. There is no need to change the division sign into multiplication sign if you are going to divide fraction by another fraction. 4. There is always a need to write answers in simplest form. 5. In dividing fractions, you'll need to get the reciprocal of the given divisor before you multiply the numerators and the denominators. 6. The reciprocal of 8 and 1/4 is 8 over 4. 7. The product of 3/4 and another fraction is 5 over 4. The other fraction is 3/5. Number 8. One pizza will be divided among 3 pupils. Each pupil receives 1/6. True.